Hi! In front of me is OPPO A1 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video files to text message. You need to begin by opening Messages app and selecting one of your chats. When you are ready, tap on this plus at the bottom left corner and click on Files category. Now you can hold your files right away over here. Tap on one of those apps or click on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. Wherever you do, you can also tap on Audio and Video filters at the top to make it easier. Finally, just hold your file that you wish to add and tap on Select at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my audio file was successfully added to text message. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!